How to fix AMD Graphics Driver error 182. First, Google search for AMD Cleanup utility, click on this first link. We will need to download this utility by clicking on AMD Cleanup utility for Windows. Once you click on it, it's gonna download and pop up. It should look like this. Once you open it up, it's gonna ask you if you want to run in safe mode, and it's gonna uninstall all of your AMD drivers. Once you do that, then you will go to Google again and search for download AMD drivers. And you just want to click on the first link, and here you will see this download Windows drivers. Once you click on download, then here it's gonna download the AMD software Adrenalin version, and you will just click on it to install it. And once this has finished installing, it should install the graphics drivers along with it, and that should fix error 182 AMD. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.